In the previous video, we have seen the definition of the matter. Okay. Now, today we are going to learn states of the matter and the properties of the matter. Okay. So first of all, come to the states of the matter. Dear students, in our daily life, we have seen three states of the matter. If you take the water can exist in solid state, liquid state, gaseous state, right? So, generally, in our daily life, we are come across three states. One is solid state, second one is liquid state, third one is gaseous state. Okay. Another one is there, that is plasma. Okay. This plasma. This is not well known. Okay, you will learn about this in the higher classes. Okay, no need to worry. So in this lesson, in this class, you are going to learn about these three states. Okay, solid, liquid, gas. Okay. Now coming to the solid state. Solid state. Coming to solid state. Okay. So now see the properties of the solid. Okay. So for example, this is solid, right? This is solid. If the solid keeps in the different containers, if I keep the solid container, okay, then this container, then this container. What will happen to the solid, this object? Nothing will happen. It remains constant. Its shape does not change. Okay. Its volume also will not change. That means what? Solids are rigid. They are remains remains its volume and shape. Okay. Why solids remains rigid? Okay. When they have definite shape and volume. Why? Because in solids the particles are close together. The particles are close together. Okay. If we take solid, the solid particles are very close together. That means what? There is no gap. This very little gap between the particles. They are tightly bound together. That's why the shape, the volume of the solids remains rigid. If you keep the solids in any container, it will not change its shape and volume. Okay, this is the main property of the solid, and also they are not compressible. Okay, if you get syringe, okay, you already know. So when you go to doctors, if you have any fever like that, they will give injection with syringe, right? Take the syringe. Okay, if it is available at your home, and pour some sand in the syringe, okay, then we will try to compress it with the piston of the syringe. So what will happen? It doesn't move. Okay, it will not move anymore. The piston will not move. Why? Because the solids are, there is no gap between the particles. Yes or no? Already they are compressed. Because there is no gap. Okay, the particles not allow the compression from the outside. Okay, if you keep the force, if you apply the force, okay, the shape will not change. Because already the molecules are close together. There is no gap between the molecules. That's why the solids are not compressible. Okay. Now these are the properties of the solids. One more thing is, due to its rigid nature, the particles in solid can vibrate about their mean position and cannot move. Dear students, already in the previous video I told you the matter is continuously moving. So in the solids also particles are moving, but due to the tightly bonding, they are vibrating in the limited area. They will not move farther. Okay, you can observe in this video how the particles are vibrating. Okay, due to this vibration, even the body also, animal's body also having fixed temperature. Our human body also having a fixed temperature due to the vibration of the molecules. Okay, so due to the vibration of the molecules, we have some kinetic energy.